Ang ilang mga Duterte supporters, if I were to approximate, there's about 50 or so of them right now. Kausapin natin yung ilan sa kanila. Ito si JP. JP, no?
Opo.
From
Netherlands, Rotterdam.
Rotterdam, the Netherlands. So, ano ang iyong reaksyon doon sa naging desisyon ng korte na i-grant yung hiling ni dating Pangulong Rodrigo Duterte na i-waive yung kanyang right para mag-appear doon sa confirmation of charges beginning on Monday?
I think fair yun kasi nagkakaedad na nga siya. Tapos meron naman siya mga legal, mga pwedeng mag-asikaso na nun. Yung mga attorney niya. Siguro fair yun na decision.
But did you want to see him sana?
Sana, pero not in sa hearing. Outside sa ICC.
Ibig mo sabihin, pag makalaya siya, gano'n.
Mas better yun, ganun.
Okay, thank you, JP. Kayo po, name?
Guillermo Pestejo
Guillermo,
from
okay.
Bataan, and I'm here from Rotterdam also.
Also,
Yes.
kayo po, ano po ang inyong saloobin?
Para sa akin, tama yung pagkaka-grant sa kanya kasi nga kaya niya siguro ginawa yon kasi nga matanda na siya, hindi niya siguro kaya. Nakita naman siguro natin na mahina na si Tatay Digong. Okay lang na i-waive, tama yon.
Pagkatapos nito, where are you off to? Ano yung araw na to?
Siguro pasyal kami sa pasyal kami sa mall, ikot-ikot lang.
Thank you. Punta tayo dito, may pamilya akong nakilala dito. Sorry, excuse me.
Daughter at saka yung asawa ko si Bing.
So yung buong pamilya mo, dala mo?
Oo, buong pamilya at saka mga brothers and sisters ko sa church.
Okay. And ano po ang inyong saloobin nga that former President Rodrigo Duterte will not show up during the confirmation of charges on Monday?
We will pray for it. We will pray and we will claim it na in favor na si President natin, former President Duterte, will be having a good hearing na but if he's not coming out, so it's his choice. It's his choice. Yeah, as a human being, and it is rights as well. So we have to pray na ang government natin at saka sa ICC ma-enlighten din yung mind nila na mapawalang sala ang ating former president.
And you brought your whole family?
Yes, yeah. 3 of us, my husband and my daughter. Yes, yeah.
Sharon, thank you. Alright, so gaano katagal pa kayo dito after ngayon? Paalis na rin po kayo?
Yeah.
Alright. Tapos kailan ang balik?
Magpaplano kami.
UK tomorrow.
Taga UK po kayo?
Apo, kami. Grupo namin.
Okay, thank you. Alright, so far, it's a Saturday, again, around 2 p.m. Confirmation of charges of the former president will happen on Monday, Tuesday. There's a break on Wednesday, and it'll continue on Thursday and Friday. Pagkatapos po nun is that the judges have about up to 60 days rather to decide whether to confirm and go on a full-blown trial, to reject, at wala na pong trial na magaganap, or may isa pa pong posibleng mangyari ay humingi pa daw ng karagdagang ebidensya.
Welcome back to my channel, guys.
Dr. Avi Vlog.